What is going on, everybody? Weston here. Another day at my garage, and we overnighted some parts from Ohio. So my friend Dennis is coming with his Nitrous 350Z. We bought a fuel pump. We're gonna have to put it in. I think it's leaning out whenever he hits nitrous. So we want to put a fuel pump in it, make sure it has enough fuel, and I'm sure we'll go do some fun pulls after we get the fuel pump installed. So we wait for him to get here. Story of my life, waiting for my friends to get here, put parts on their car. But when he gets here, we'll go ahead and put it in. Glad to see you washed this thing before you brought it. Bird crap all over it.
Why with the duct tape on? Does it make a difference?
The duct tape, the bird crap. A little more, yeah. Cut it this way. Right there. If it's literally under this panel.
Yeah, it's right under that panel.
I thought that panel, like, it was just gonna pull out and it'd be right there. I know, let's unbolt that. I ever think I'd be opening a glove box to change a fuel pump. There it is.
Unbelievable. So what kind of, what are they, 13, 12?
Phillips head.
Phillips head.
Yeah.
They're not even a wrench you need, just a Phillips head.
Yeah, we're gonna use the Phillips head to do this whole fuel pump install. Open the glove box, use the Phillips head.
Install, continue rest of the day.
We're about 10 layers deep into this car. You realize that? The glove box, the panel on the bottom, the cover in the bottom of the glove box, the panel on the bottom of the glove box, the fuel pump cover.
What I gotta realize?
We're like 20 layers deep into this thing.
Have enough caffeine today?
No, we should probably go get Red Bulls or Monsters. This entire install is going to be a flathead screwdriver.
We shouldn't say that until we get this fucker out of here. I wish I put these screws.
So put them right there.
There you go, an actual tray.
Yeah, it literally jumped up. Alright, you want to disconnect that fuel line? Spray fuel all in your eyes?
That's a special one of those ones you have to have a
No,
tool.
you just push the 2 ears in.
Push the 2 ears in?
It's the easiest.
Like,
Oh god,
I smell gasoline.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we need the gas tank.
Oh god, I'm gonna spray myself in the eyes. I literally did this yesterday on that Subaru.
We probably should have took that line up before we took this.
I'll cut the fuel pump in half. Oh, what's inside the box?
Where?
Another box.
Wait a minute, what is this? A jigsaw puzzle. Probably cut the wire just there. Oh, that's another box.
There's a bag.
Bag?
There's a sock. They
Looks
gave
like
you
a filter, new filter?
No, this is the filter. Oh,
That's the capacitor filter? This is the fuel pump.
There it
This
is.
is modulator. We're gonna have to do wiring.
Wow, that's exciting, isn't it?
Yeah, I thought there'd be more stuff in there. I just...
Leave it alone. Don't take that off.
Is that the filter?
No, that's the float. That's the level. That's
Oh,
for
yeah,
the
the float.
that's for the crossover, because the hump for the
Where's
drive
the
shaft.
filter go?
This is the filter right here. Powering it out of there. That's gonna be interesting. I'll figure it out. Oh, that's green. So we got the new sock on. That rubber ring goes on. And then that goes up. Ooh, shoot. Fuel
Right.
bottle.
A little extra gasoline.
So that goes up in there.
No plastic thing.
And then this plastic thing just locks onto the bottom. Watch this one be longer. I think it is.
Probably got in far enough, huh?
I think his pump's longer. I didn't even check. This pump's longer. So gotta figure out how to get this in here. Once it goes in there, and I in there.
Right.
It should be fine.
Well, that one went down a little further.
Yeah, it didn't go all the way though, because this is not going to lock in. But I don't even think it matters. We just gotta find. Should we zip tie it? Let's run a zip tie up around.
That'd work. It doesn't take a lot of it. Just sits in the gas and
Yeah.
that way you won't slip off. You know, behind here. I'm used to doing it, putting my car together with zip ties.
This car is just being more and more modified with zip ties. I mean, that holds it in there perfect. It sits right on there. That'll work. It's not going anywhere. Oh. Gotta make it look all pretty now. That's junk.
Spring where? Yeah, the spring's on the other one.
87 screwdrivers that we used to do this.
I'm sorry?
I said take all 87 screwdrivers we used to do this.
Yeah, I'll take them all. I gotta bring them all.
So put the sending unit on, put the cover on, put that panel in, put that carpet in. Last step, close the glove box. So weird. Go it. Probably fuel pump a couple times, like turn the key on and off. Off. Is that the pump? You hear it?
Well, it's probably all dry. It needs some water because there's fuel in there.
There it is. Pop the trunk.
Some of these little buttons. Oh.
What are we at?
How many? 600?
Yeah, we're just below 600. It's kind of cold.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, the gasoline in here. What do you think that's from?
I don't know. I wonder what it smells like. Yeah, who was sitting in here?
Nobody was. I moved the seat up.
Oh god, I can't fit in it.
Yeah, you have to probably move it back or something. There you go.
There we go. There we go. If this thing doesn't break up now, it'll be so nice. And that'll be really scary also if it doesn't break up.
Yeah, all of a sudden it just goes to $7 grand, goes pop! Oh, only one pop and it's quiet now.
Oh my god.
And we look in the mirror, there's a trail of oil.
Oil. Spray it. You can feel it. You can't see it. You can feel it though. All right. See you later.
I'll see you. Thanks for the help.
You're welcome.
I like that box on fire.
Okay. I wish someone would have stole it. They'd have got a surprise. Thought it was a package.
That'd be cool.
See ya.
That's what they deserve.
In case anyone's wondering, I put this box here by the door that is filled with gas from to the fuel pump, and it'd be hilarious if someone stole it, thinking it was a package just to have a gasoline-filled car.